Okay, just a short little video today. I've started tidying things up a little bit. I think I'll do that pallet next. This has been outside here for a little while, out in the elements. I just had the bonnet on, I just started it up the other day. Turns out my dodgy wiring's gone a bit bad. I think the earth is gone, or this cheap thing's stopped working, the relay. But the starter still works, so I was really happy about that because that was over 100 quid. And I've come to the realisation, well I did before, but I didn't really care that much, that it needs to go inside with that starter motor. I need to put it inside, so I'm going to start it up, going to put it in that trailer there. That's an ongoing video. I really need to just wire brush it and give it a quick paint. I'm putting a floor on it, but for the time being it's just, well, it's going to be storage anyway, for tools mostly. And things. It's going to be my little workshop trailer, but I'm getting beside the point. Got bits and bobs in there because they've got electric windows and they still work. I just took them off, so I don't know where those are going to go. In the shed somewhere. Just gonna put it over here. Probably need to pump up the tyres first because I did take it for just go forward and back, and it was spinning the wheels and it's spinning the rims in the tyres and a bit of a nightmare. So let's pump the tyres up. The little foamy bit on the microphone's vanished. I've lost it somewhere. Stops wind noise, but there's no wind today, so maybe it sounds better. I don't know. All pumped up. The back ones, I can hear them leaking right now. The oil is a little bit over full because I left the tap on last time for about a day or two, so some fuel went through. That's a brand new carb as well. It was a cheap one. I actually had to blow some compressed air through it to open up one of the holes to get it to run better. Still runs like crap. So yeah, I'm going to take it over there. Probably going to reverse it up because I don't have anything to get up onto that ramp. Well, actually no, it'd be better driving, wouldn't it, if I'm trying to keep it out. Air filter's on floor because last time it didn't want to start on its own. I had to give it just a little squirt. So let's start it up. Okay, better turn the fuel on. The fuel has changed colour since it's been here. It's been here a little while. Give it a little snort. start off, so it uses up all the petrol. Then you can't put the bowl. There you go. It's got a new drive belt on it. The clutch is a bit sharp, but you can get used to it, even in first gear. God, that's loud. I might get a complaint from the neighbour now. Wow, no I won't. It's Friday, I think. 17th of October. I'm currently kind of unemployed. I'm help people about a lot, but I've finished a big job now, like a 2-month-long job. And I'm trying to get things done at home. I've really tidied up a lot of stuff and worked on the car as well. And I've done this. That starter motor shouldn't have been out in the rain considering it's brand new. But no harm done, except for the electrics. I think maybe the relay had a bit of moisture in it or something. That's why it went kaput. I think that's what's gone. My wiring can't be that bad, surely. Anyway, so I'll get onto this in a bit. I'm gonna put a hitch on it and maybe put a roll bar. I did want to put this pulley, adapt this pulley to put it on the engine and put the engine one on this to gear it up. Although for just going around the farm it's fast enough as it is. It's a bit scary. My steering still seems to be holding together. I just spot weld. What do I do? I just put a nut just I drilled through the steering one rod, but yeah, need a new seat as well. That's just disintegrated and I've driven over it now. Sometimes it's a bit finicky to put neutral, but I do I always just put the clutch down and pin it, but I try and keep it neutral just in case thing. There's no brakes on it. That's a little tiny little disc brake there, and the caliper's off and the bracket's off and everything, so nah, who needs that? Mint.